Hello students, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we will cover emphatic adjectives. There is a separate playlist of adjectives in English language on my channel and the link of the same will be available right in the description box below. Now, what are we waiting for? Without any further ado or delay, let's get started. What are emphatic adjectives? Emphatic adjectives lay emphasis on the noun being referred to. So it focuses on that particular noun that is referred to in that particular sentence or phrase, etc. And the common emphatic adjectives are own, same, such, very. So these are emphatic adjectives that lay focuses on that particular noun that's being referred to. Have a look at these set of examples provided here. The first one is, she tells the same story every time. The same story. So story is a noun here. And what kind of the story? Same story. You are laying emphasis that that's very boring, it's very dull. She tells the same story every time. The next example is, this is my own house. So you are referring to your own thing, right? You are laying emphasis on the house, your own house. So therefore own is an adjective here. The next and the last example is, this is the very book the professor told about. So that was that particular book. The focus was on that particular noun being referred to. So therefore we had put very. So emphatic adjectives lay emphasis on the noun being referred to. They give attention or focus to that particular noun. So my dear students, this section brings an end to today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Lightup Knowledge, and do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. So until we meet next time in the next video, keep learning and keep growing, and remember that I've linked all the playlists in the description box. You can go check that out.